Imagine a creature so extraordinary, it can grow old, face death, and yet, when the end seems inevitable, it simply refuses to accept its fate. Instead of succumbing to the passage of time, it has the remarkable ability to start its life over again, as if pressing a reset button on existence itself. This isn't a tale from mythology or a scene from a science fiction movie. This is the real-life story of Turritopsis dohrnii, better known as the immortal jellyfish. Unlike any other animal on Earth, it can transform from its adult form back into a youthful polyp, essentially reversing its own aging process and sidestepping death by old age. This tiny marvel, no bigger than a human fingernail, has discovered a loophole in nature's most fundamental rule, that all living things must eventually die. Its existence challenges our understanding of biology, aging, and the very definition of mortality itself. Scientists around the world are fascinated by this creature, hoping that unlocking its secrets could one day revolutionize our own approach to aging and disease. But how can a being with no brain, no heart, and no complex organs possess a power that has eluded even the most advanced forms of life? The immortal jellyfish is a living paradox, a delicate, translucent creature that embodies the possibility of endless renewal, cycling through life and rebirth again and again. As we venture deeper into its mysterious world, we are forced to confront profound questions about the nature of existence, the boundaries of science, and the limits of what's possible for life on Earth. For now, the immortal jellyfish remains one of nature's most humbling and awe-inspiring wonders, quietly drifting through the ocean, defying the rules that govern all other living things. Turritopsis dohrnii, often called the immortal jellyfish, is almost invisible to the naked eye, its delicate bell measuring just a few millimeters across. Floating gently in the water, it looks like a tiny living crystal, shimmering with the faintest hint of color. With its trailing gossamer tentacles, it drifts effortlessly through the vastness of the sea, moving with the currents and tides almost as if it's dancing in slow motion. Once believed to be found only in the warm waters of the Caribbean and Mediterranean, scientists have now discovered this remarkable creature in oceans all around the globe. Its worldwide journey began as it hitched rides in the ballast water of ships, traveling unnoticed across continents and establishing new homes wherever it landed. Its astonishing global spread is a testament to its resilience and adaptability, thriving in environments that range from sunlit shallows to the mysterious depths of the open ocean. When faced with harsh conditions, whether it's a lack of food, sudden changes in temperature, or threats from predators, this jellyfish can perform a biological miracle. It reverts to its earliest polyp stage, essentially starting its life cycle over, waiting patiently for better times before growing up again. This extraordinary ability makes it a persistent colonizer, able to survive and even thrive in places where most other creatures would quickly perish. Feeding on tiny plankton, it plays a vital role in the marine food web, helping to keep the delicate balance of ocean life intact. Yet, hidden within its simple, translucent form, lies one of nature's greatest secrets, the power of biological immortality, a trait that has fascinated scientists and nature lovers alike. The immortal jellyfish is a silent nomad, gliding through the world's oceans, carrying the gift of eternal life wherever it goes, a living symbol of nature's endless possibilities. In the immense expanse of the ocean, even the smallest creatures can possess the most astonishing powers, reminding us that wonder often comes in the tiniest forms. Deep beneath the ocean's surface, a tiny creature holds the key to a mystery that has fascinated humans for centuries: the secret of eternal youth. The immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii, possesses an extraordinary ability that sets it apart from nearly every other animal on Earth. Its secret lies in a remarkable process called transdifferentiation. While most animal cells are locked into their specific roles, like skin, muscle, or nerve cells, Turritopsis dohrnii's cells can actually transform into entirely new types. This means that, unlike us, it can essentially reset its body at the cellular level, giving it a second chance at life. Its life begins as a tiny drifting larva, which then settles and becomes a polyp. Eventually it transforms into a medusa, the familiar bell-shaped jellyfish we recognize gliding through the water. But when faced with threats like injury, starvation, or simply the passage of time, the adult medusa can do something astonishing. It reverses its development, turning back the biological clock. the jellyfish sinks to the ocean floor, its body softening and transforming. Its cells reprogram themselves, and it morphs back into a polyp colony, starting its life cycle anew. From this colony, new jellyfish bud off, each one genetically identical to the original. It's as if the jellyfish has been reborn, with no memory of its previous life. This incredible cycle can repeat endlessly, allowing the jellyfish to avoid death by old age. In theory, it could live forever, continually renewing itself. Of course, the immortal jellyfish isn't truly invincible. Predators, disease, and environmental changes can still end its life. But when it comes to aging, it has achieved what no other animal has: biological immortality. The immortal jellyfish is nature's ultimate survivor, a master of cellular alchemy and adaptation, thriving in the ever-changing ocean. Its life is a continuous loop, not a straight line, a never-ending cycle of renewal and transformation. In the vast tapestry of marine life, Turritopsis dohrnii stands out as a living example of evolution's ingenuity, reminding us that nature still holds many secrets waiting to be discovered. The immortal jellyfish has ignited human imagination. Could we one day unlock its secret for ourselves? Scientists are fascinated by its ability to reprogram cells, a potential breakthrough for regenerative medicine. If we could mimic this, we might heal injuries or reverse diseases once thought permanent. But human biology is vastly more complex, and true immortality remains out of reach. Even if we could reset our bodies, the ethical and philosophical questions would be profound. Would endless life change what it means to be human? For now, the jellyfish's secret offers hope for medical advances, but not for eternal youth. Why did the immortal jellyfish evolve this power? In the unpredictable ocean, survival is never guaranteed. If a medusa is injured or can't find a mate, reverting to a polyp gives it another chance to reproduce. The polyp can wait out bad conditions, then release new jellyfish when times improve. This strategy boosts its odds of genetic survival in a dangerous world. It also explains how the species has spread globally, surviving long journeys in ship ballast tanks. Its immortality isn't just about individual survival, it's about the persistence of the species. Evolution has turned a fragile creature into a world conqueror. Immortality, for Turritopsis dohrnii, is the ultimate survival tool. Immortality has fascinated humans for centuries, inspiring myths of gods and magical elixirs. But the jellyfish's version is far less romantic. It's a practical survival mechanism, not a quest for eternal experience. The jellyfish doesn't ponder its endless existence, it simply resets its life cycle. In nature, immortality is about renewal, not unending consciousness. Some creatures live for centuries, but Turritopsis dohrnii takes it further, resetting its life entirely. By studying it, we move immortality from myth to science, learning how life, aging, and renewal really work. We may never drink from a fountain of youth, but we can learn from nature's strategies. The science of immortality is about understanding life's processes, not escaping death. The immortal jellyfish forces us to ask, if you could live forever, would you want to? Our lives are shaped by their limits. Urgency, ambition, and meaning all come from knowing our time is finite. Would love or achievement matter as much if we had eternity? The jellyfish simply cycles through life, but humans build stories, memories, and identities over time. To reset endlessly might mean losing what makes us who we are. This tiny creature holds up a mirror to our own humanity. Perhaps life's beauty lies not in its length but in its depth. The immortal jellyfish survives forever, but we have the unique power to truly live.